everybody. I wanted to do an update on our free Subliminal course. Now, I've had some beautiful people apply to this free Subliminal class that we're giving online via Zoom or video chat. If you have not already applied. I believe we have 8 people registered, and I've had some people, list their emails or say they're interested, but that you have to actually apply through the Facebook link. I'm going to put it in the video description and in the video comments. You apply on Facebook, then send me a video of yourself just introducing who you are, why you want to learn how to make subliminals, and that's it. Just for I have an idea of who you are. I know you're a real person. If you don't feel comfortable with the video talking, that's fine. Just voice recording, record a voice message or type up something, and email me. Or just apply through Facebook if you're not going to do the video introduction. We have 3 more days. 3 more days, so you've got to apply. The end of the 3 days, I am going to start messaging people, and we might have 2 different classes or 2 different times, depending on how we can work things out. As I said, we have followers or subscribers from all over the world, so we have to figure out how we're going to have 2 different classes. With that being said, as I said, we have some amazing people applying. I can't wait to teach this course. I am starting on the PowerPoint today. It's going to take me at least a week or 2, to make the entire PowerPoint. I'm very excited. And as I said, I am kind of stepping away from the full-time subliminals and going into more of a part-time role. I have some other projects I'm working on, and I'm just focusing on enjoying life a little bit more. In other words, yes, in financial terms, I'm doing a lot better than these last couple months were. So I'm pulling back a little bit, having a little more fun, enjoying myself. And as I said, I have some other projects I'm working on. So these, and maybe 12 people at this, we have 7 or 8 people right now, and we might hit 12 people, 12 disciples. But it's time to teach some people. So get in, apply through Facebook. The link's in the description or the comment section. Apply and then send the email of the video recording to. Can't wait to meet some of you. I can't wait to teach this course. Have a beautiful day, guys.